but it's a little bit more complicated. And you've got
Regents Professor of Hydrology and Water Resources, Hoshin Gupta, is interested in a deeper understanding of scientific models. All the facts and things we understand about how the world works.
How do we take conceptual ideas, theories about how the world works, and data that we collect from the world, and put them together to build models which we can then use for prediction or decision making. Or actually, my interest is more in how we use those models to help further enhance the learning process, how we understand the world around us. Those two effects.
I think it usually takes students about half a term to realize that the subject material is only a reason to be talking, and that it really has to do with more universal ideas of science and analysis and insight and creativity.
There tends to be this sort of idea that if you build a model based on physics and physically based principles, that such models are superior to models that are built based primarily on looking for patterns in data. And of course, in today's world, there tends to be a lot more data. And we're finding that our ideas about how the world works, which are based in ideas about physics, don't necessarily agree with what the data tells us.
Gupta was born in India, attended Case Western University for his doctorate, and in 1983 followed his professor to the U of A hydrology department.
It just so happened that the major professors who were involved in water resources happened to be in the systems department. That gave me the opportunity to actually start studying systems theory as a foundational concept as opposed to hydrology or civil engineering as a foundational basis.
Gupta sees little distinction between research and teaching. In addition to his research, he teaches classes in modeling fundamentals and an earth sciences course for non-science majors.
I don't think you can do research without help. For that, you need students and other people. And you can't get those people to the point that they can assist you in your research without doing teaching. So I think of teaching as more of a mentoring process, really. It's helping students to acquire the kind of information that they need in order to be able to then contribute to the scientific endeavor.
He cares about the way you learn as much as he cares about what you're learning, so that when he's teaching it to you, you really understand the point and not just, okay, I can solve this problem or I can get the right number. It's not really about the right number as much as it is about the process of learning.
Growing up in India, he was a skilled sailor, competing in international competition. Today, he has a variety of other interests, but keeps coming back to his love of music.
Much to my wife's chagrin, I don't play the guitar very much anymore, and I now play drums, and I play drums in 3 different bands. I tend to think that there's a tendency in our current educational system to make a strong wall between the physical sciences and the social sciences. And the longer I'm involved in this profession, the less useful I think that is.